Sunday!
Good Sunday, everyone. Hope you're all having a fantastic weekend. Let us know in the comment section how you guys had that weekend.
And if any of you are celebrating the Easter holidays, how is that going on? Comment down below and let me know what are your fun things that you've been doing during this holiday.
Today is our PO box unopening for Sunday, and thank you to everyone who sent us all the packages and letters and everything. We are super grateful. We'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to send us any letters or anything like that.
The address is up there as well. You don't have to send anything at all, but if you want to send any postcards, letters, stuff like that, go for it. There's our address just to send it off.
So we're going to get started by opening up some packages. Now we're going to be opening a package that we opened in our last video.
Yes.
Because it was for a birthday, and today's our birthday month.
Yeah, it is. It is. Dave's the 22nd.
And Steffi's the 25th.
Yeah.
So just a few days in between. So someone sent us this awesome package with cards and presents, so we're going to open them in this video.
So here we go. Here's the package again. There we go. Happy birthday, Dave. Happy birthday, Steph.
Happy birthday, Steph. So what's so cool about it, it's got like little Mickey castle stickers on the back.
Yeah.
So it's going to be Disney fan.
We've been like so like looking forward to opening these, haven't we?
We have, yeah. Ooh.
Ah!
So we've got, so mine says happy birthday and it's got some dogs and a campfire.
Oh, so do I.
So do you.
I have one too.
It says happy birthday and many s'mores.
I
like
love it.
It's like a 3D one as well, so it's like when you open up it like, so you go, ooh.
I love it. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Dave. You each deserve your own s'mores. So love from Jim and Valerie from Indiana. Thank you so much for the card. That's really awesome.
I love it. Oh, there's a little note in mine, actually. To see.
I didn't get a note in mine.
Oh. No, it's addressed to both of us. I must say, I love your handwriting as well. So.
Very fancy.
Steph and Dave, I hope these presents bring you a very happy birthday. I realise that your birthdays are in April, so I started early. Oh, thank you so much. Both of you have brought so much joy to me in the past few years. I wanted to give you something special. Love you guys, and I hope to see you in the parks one day. Oh, I hope to see you too. Yes. Thank you so much. Should we have a look what we've got?
So I don't know whose is whose. So I'm just going to pass you this blue box. And I've just got this one here. So the one that I've got, oh, it's a Lion King ornament.
Oh,
so
I love.
It's actually made of glass.
That's nice.
So it's like a, so it's like Lion King ornament, and it's kind of got like the.
It's Pride Rock.
Pride Rock. I think it's the beginning of the film.
Yeah.
Circle of Life, when you see Rafiki lift up Simba.
Yeah.
It's really cool, and it's like made of.
Or is it at the end? Because that looks like Simba.
Oh no! Oh yeah, because you've got Timon and
Pumbaa.
So it could be the end of the film. We don't know, but that's really nice. Thank you so much.
I really like that. That's really nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Have a little look. Oh my lord! This is so cute. It's a little bracelet. And there's little charms on it that says Steffi and Dave and Krispy-Smore. I don't know if you can actually see that. Oh, what I'll do is I'll take an image and I'll put it here. Thank you so much. Look how cute that is.
That is amazing.
Steffi and Dave and Krispy-Smore.
Thank you so much to you, Jim and Valerie, for that. It's really, really awesome. There you go.
There we go. And it's on. And it's on. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for the gift. That is really kind of you, for the cards as well and for the letter. You're awesome, guys. Thank you so much.
It's so simple, and I love jewellery. That's really simple. I love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Next one.
Next package. It says Mallards of Worcester.
Oh, yes. We were talking to her.
Okay, so it says, hey, KrispySmore, keep up the great vlogs. Here is a box of our bath mellows. They have sea butter and make your skin feel soft. They will gently fizz in the bath. From Adam and Lucy. See you soon. Thank you very much. So the shop's called Mallards of Worcester. They do gifts, home and jewellery. We'll leave a link in the description for their website. They've got like a mallardsofworcester.co.uk.
So if you are in the area, pop down to that shop and tell them that the s'mores brought you there.
Yes. There you go, there's a box. Do you want to open that up?
Yeah. Oh, that smells lovely. I've actually run out of bath stuff as well, so you have come in very, very handy. Oh my life, thank you. Oh, I love these.
They're like little cupcake shaped.
Oh, they smell so great.
Just pull one out so you can see. So yeah, they're like cupcake shaped little bath bombs. Shake your tail feather. That's what it's called. Shake your tail feather there.
Oh, it's got a little parrot on it.
Yeah, it's got a parrot on the front and everything. That's
this
really
one's
good.
called the Island.
That's cool.
We've been watching a lot of Sea of Thieves lately, so
Yes.
that's just there. The next one is Turtley Awesome. It's got a little turtle. Next one we've got is Oopsie Daisy.
Loads of daisies on there.
Oh, it smells so good. It smells so yummy. Mango and vanilla. Oh, perfect for the summer.
And the last one.
And then Bake It Easy.
Bake It Easy, so it's probably like a baking
Them.
one. That's
Thank
cool.
you so much.
Thank you very much.
Oh, wow.
That's awesome.
Oh,
Right.
bath time.
Bath time is
coming.
So another package we got in the post is this one. There's something rattling in there. Okay, right. There's a card. Steph and Dave.
Lovely.
Ooh. Ooh. We'll read the card first. I know I can do this.
Happy Easter.
Happy
Whoop,
Easter.
whoop, whoop.
Got an Easter card.
Oh, to Steph and Dave, have fun. Have a very happy Easter filled with the things you love. Lots of love from Lancashire. Paul, Amy and Fred the dog.
Thank you.
So much. Give Fred the dog a lovely cuddle from us.
We got some mini eggs.
Thank you. Oh, I love mini eggs.
You love mini eggs.
I'm a sucker for a mini egg.
And then we also got some Lindt
Oh.
Easter Fun Bugs and Bees chocolate.
You guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Definitely gonna eat this one. Milk chocolate filled with chocolate hazelnut cream and Rice Krispies. I'm gonna eat them later on.
The next one is from Michelle from Cambridge.
Thank you, Michelle. Oh, we've already. Oh, you got that out quick, didn't you? Steph knows how to undo things. She's like, yes. Oh, you got Lush. You said that you run out of bath bombs.
I know.
And now you seem to have.
Whoa! Oh, it's not Lush. Oh, you had me on there,
we
man.
had you there, didn't it? So there's a card. I shall get said card out and I shall read.
Oh, look at these goodies. This was a surprise. I thought it was Lush then at first. So
It says Happy Easter.
thank
Happy
you.
Easter card. It says some of this was meant for Christmas, but I didn't like to waste them. Hope you have a really super Easter. Best of wishes and keep on vlogging. Michelle, Liz and Joe.
Ah, thank you so much, guys.
So yeah, they've given us. Oh, look at all this stuff.
So I've got. I've got some socks that say I am the party.
You like the party?
Oh, are you the party?
Oh, am I the party? Might have to wear that to work one day. See how they say.
Yeah.
Oh no, these are women's socks. These are for you.
Hey, you wear my Uggs, remember?
That's true. That's true.
And my socks. We've got dairy milk.
Yeah.
Egg. We've got a Buttons egg.
Yeah.
Ooh. We have ginger stirrers with gingerbread men.
Ooh.
That sounds amazing.
That's definitely something to have soon. What we got?
Got some soothing, nourishing hand mask.
Hand mask.
Very nice. Oh, I love these. These are tea tree and peppermint foot packs. They are very good. These are very good for when you go to the parks as well.
Okay.
Disney.
That's cool.
An argan oil deep moisturising foot pack. These
Ooh.
are perfect for when we go to the park. Thank you so much. And then the next thing. A Lion King bag.
A Lion King bag to add to our collection of other Lion King
Let's
bags
just put
that we
everything
have.
in there. Amazing. Thank you so much, guys. That's so nice.
Yeah, again, thank you to Michelle, Liz and Joe for the package.
Yeah.
You threw us off the scent there. We
Oh, I know.
And then we got Easter eggs, which is
we
just
got
as
some
good.
amazing stuff.
Thank you so much. That's pretty much what we got in this PO box. Thank you very much to everyone. If you want to send us a letter or a postcard, just so we know where you guys are from when you're watching our videos, that'll be awesome. Again, link in the description.
We've had some other news as well in regards to international packages coming over. If they are a small package,
yes,
they will be delivered via Royal Mail.
Mm-hmm.
If it's anything like a large package or a medium package, it goes via a courier, like a UPS or Parcel Force, which unfortunately don't post to PO boxes, which I don't understand. Because when we do ring up and say, oh, can you get it delivered to the post office that the PO box is based at,
okay, yeah,
they're like, yeah, that's fine. So I don't really understand.
So yeah, so just, you know, keep to letters and like small packages. If you want to send a package, just keep it a small little one. That's absolutely awesome. If you're obviously traveling it from the international. But a massive thank you to everyone for sending all the packages or the letters for Happy Easter and everything. You guys are absolutely awesome. We love you all.
Thank you for the birthday present.
Yes, thank you for the birthday present as well. That's amazing. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. We really do appreciate it. Also to hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Also hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of our future videos, because as you know, we've been saying YouTube have been doing some great things with this platform. But yeah, so bees, if you want to be on top of our videos, hit this notification bell. It will tell you when our videos are uploaded. And yeah, we shall see you guys on the next video on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Take care now, guys.
Bye.
Bye.